Here's the last half of Siri Swim. Ears up, tail wagging. What do you think? Ooh, come on! Come on! You got it! It's okay. It's okay, I know. Work through it. Ready? Oh, wow! And you can grab it? Very good. Very nice. And she's keeping on with the swimming, which is great. Let's get an underwater view. Good job. You're gonna go up those stairs? Good job. Uh-oh, it's the hard part. Very good. Come here. Here. Very nice. Good job. Very good. Happy tail, happy ears, much more relaxed body language. Still a little, oh yeah. Still a little apprehensive about the step in and the into the deep end, but that's totally normal as it takes a little getting used to. There you go, there you go. Good job. Good job. You deserve it. Enjoy that toy. Very good. What do you think? You want to dry off? Do a little massage? Good job. Happy and tired. Good job. You're very smart. You're very brave.